Introducing Odoo Pricelist for POS Category, which allows you to apply pricing rules based on POS categories and automatically update prices in your POS for a smooth workflow. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is our Odoo backend. Now navigate to the Apps section and search for Pricelist for POS Category. Here you can see that the Pricelist for POS Category is already installed in the system. Now navigate to Point of Sale, click on Products, and then select Price Lists. Next, create a new price list by clicking on the New button. Enter the name, then click on Add a Line. Here you can see that the POS category option is available. Select this option, choose the category, and for now I will select MISC. Then select a price list, I am choosing Discount for now, and apply a 50% discount on the sale price. Click on the Save and Close button, and then click on Save to confirm. Now go to Configuration and select Settings. Scroll down to the Pricing section where you can see the available price lists. Make sure the newly added price list is selected here, then click on Save. Finally, navigate to the Point of Sale dashboard. Open the register and select the category. Now click on the three dots, then select Price List and choose the Festive Offer price list. Select any product and click on the Add button. Here you can see that the product price is discounted by 50%. Now click on the Payment button to proceed with checkout. Select the payment method and click on the Validate button. The process is now complete, and as you can see, the price list has been successfully applied to the product. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.